Kelly Swift Invertebrates unboxing. Ha ha ha. Me. Ooh. Ha. Came with their own thing. This is something new since the last time I ordered from him. Granted, that's been quite a while, but he sent them with these very nice little containers. I'm impressed. That is so cool. They got little openings at the top. Very cool. Never had these before. That's great. Ta-da! Oh, and little baby worms too. Oh my god, that is so awesome. Hee 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 hee. Freebie. Little, just in case. Oh. Alright. Yay. I got two sun tigers that I've been wanting forever. I can't remember the scientific name. The freebie is supposed to be a red rump. I don't know. And then I got a curly hair. Little bitty babies. So cute. Okay, I gotta get some substrata and stuff in here. Okay, I think I have the containers ready now. I got the little free worms, just in case, in their little container. This is for the sun tiger. I forgot to get little fake leaves, so I made a little plastic guy right there, hoping that they will build right in there. This one I got a little too wet, so I put a little bit of dry on top to hopefully even it out. There's the other one. And then for the curly hair, I got a starter burrow on each end. And same with the red rump. And now we're going to see if I can get the little buggers in there without dying. Okay, easy ones first. Haha, never easy, right? Let's see, center it a little. There we go. This one is the red rump. Little guy. Hello, little one. Oh, you're so cute. Let's see if we can get it out here. And out. Come on. I see you in there. I see you in there. Hello. Oh, you're such a cutie. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh, such a sweetie. Look at that. Such a little cutie. Teeny, teeny, tiny. It's so cute. Alright, we'll leave him alone. Put his lid on. Let him find his holes. Sit him over there. Now Let's do the curly hair. Here we are, little guy. I gotta make nameplates for these guys. Don't want to mix them up. Be a while before you be able to see what's the difference is. Because you're so tiny. Hello, where are you? Oh, he's way at the bottom. Aren't you a cutie pie? Hello, hello. Oh, you're bigger than I thought you'd be. Look at that. Isn't he adorable? Come on. You're moving a lot faster. Oh, don't. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. There's a hole there for you. Here, he went right in the hole. That's why I like to pre-start holes. He went right down in there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right in there. Let's put you over here so you get some alone time. Alright, I'm going to pause here and get ready for the sun tigers. Okay, I am not sure how upset these guys are going to be. I am totally prepared to leave the vial in there. But we're going to see. Hello. Oh, he's right there. Hi. Are you going to be a crazy little thing? Huh? You going to be a crazy thing? Zoom out. Am I a little scared? I don't want to lose him. That's the fear I have. I don't want to lose him. That's my fear. Oh, he's got a little striped leg. Oh my god, he's so cute. Are you going to go out? You just going to hide? You're like, no, I don't want to. Oh, you're bigger than I thought you would be. Are you going to come out? I have a hidey hole for you. It actually might be a little too small. Well, I underestimated how big you were. Do you want to come out? Oh, you got a little striped butt too. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, look how adorable he is. Oh my god, he's so cute. Are you gonna be a lightning bolt? Can I get you out of there? You gonna be good? Are you gonna be good? You gonna come out nice? Come on. That's it. That's it. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you can hide right in there. No, don't come up the glass. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's what I was afraid of. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. It's alright. It's alright. You're okay. You're okay. This way. Come this way. Just a little. It's alright. It's alright. I'm not going to hurt you. I want you to go that way. Can you please go that way? It's okay. Yeah, go that way. Go that way. That's good. There you are. There you are. Let go of the last foot. That's good. Okay. Okay, we're just going to put the lid on really quick. Alright! They're not lying. They are very fast little buggers. I got him in. Oh my god. He's adorable. His little butt is striped and he has striped feeties. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta let my heart stop. Okay. After that mild heart attack. Let's see if we can get the other one out. We're gonna be a little quicker with the lid maybe. No threat posture, just really quick on his little feeties. Absolutely adorable. All right, come here. You gonna be nice? Oh, I see you. You gonna be nice? Are you gonna be nice? Yeah, let me get you out. I see you. You like to hide. I don't have a good enough hide. I'll get you a leaf. I'll get you a leaf later. Okay. You want to just stay in there? I'm afraid now. Come on, you can come out. Nobody's gonna hurt you. Come on. Just a little. Just a little. Fine. Yeah, I know, I'm moving it all around and it's kind of scary. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. That's it. Just let you go at your pace. Don't want to push. That's it. There. Oh, no, 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 no. They are very quick. Oh my God. So quick. Whew. Alrighty then. That one went a little better. I didn't push as hard. And there he is. He is in. Let's see. Oh my God. All in their new houses. Have to get them a leaf later. They'll probably like that better. Whew. Okay. Thank you for watching.